Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile public image on Uber Eats driver. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wanting to change their profile picture image. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first we're going to log onto our Uber Eats app. And then you're going to click on the hamburger icon on the upper left hand corner. Next, you're going to click on account. And then from this page, you're going to click on manage Uber account. Next, you're going to click on account info. And then next, you're going to click on your profile image. So what this will do is that it's going to prompt you to say that your photo can't be edited and that you need to contact Uber support in order to update your photo. So what you'll do is that you'll just contact Uber support. So by doing so, you'll basically just follow the prompts as far as updating your profile photo goes. But most of the time, they actually do allow you to change your photo. It's pretty simple, and so just follow the prompts here, guys. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your photo on Uber Eats driver. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next